Monty Joyner with Dent Science. Wanted to give a little bit of an instructional on some dent repair. So we got a Subaru here. Nice amount of damage to the right doors. See some crowning right here at the edges. The whole thing's just kind of pushed in. You know, I'm starting to oil can. And to do a conventional repair would total this out. So I am gonna get this looking good for them. A lot more economical price and quicker. What I'm gonna do is use this. Not going to be 100% repair. You can see some areas where it's cracking. This area right here is touching, pushed onto the center brace. It's touching the bolt probably on the back of that brace or something. Protruding outward. I'm going to go through this wiring harness here to work the majority of this probably already at the top of the window with a dent craft tool. Tip, interchangeable tips. Okay. And just got this sucker on it, heating it up a little bit on a cold day.
Nice package.
So I'll check back halfway through and let you see how the progress is coming. I'm in the middle of working this Subaru here. I've done a lot of tapping on the corners here to try to release that center area. A lot of the pressure that's holding that dent in, as you can see, got a lot of it out, but still got a lot of work to do. This, you can see a lot of texture here. Maybe if you can't see it or not, but it's definitely there. So I am working at that. It's all around the handle. You know, it was low. The whole panel was just caved in, really. It's still kind of weak, so I'm still strengthening it in areas here. You can see it's low up in here, but got a majority of it out. Just kind of wanted to show this area here. I'm working through the wiring harness and then the top of the window here for more accurate pushes with this knife tip. Hi, I'm back. I'm done with the Subaru, as much as I'm going to do on it. Let me turn this around so I can get a little better.
After